Hi everyone, I am Ms. Ranti Maksukuman. My major is Department of Commercial Shipping and Port Management Level 2 at Indonesia Maritime Academy, IIT Makassar. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Rafiq for the opportunity that he gave it to me. So right now I can present the result of my assignment with the topic company profile. And the company I choose is Kala Institute. I hope you will enjoy my video, so happy watching!
Kala Institute. For over 70 years, Kala Institute has been actively building the nation. Starting from October 18, 1952, it began with trading and intercity transportation, with Cahaya Bone as the foundation that helped Kala grow into the biggest business in Eastern Indonesia. Kala fulfills the community's need for transportation facilities by becoming one of the founders of Toyota car dealers and other car brands. With complete, accessible services and a strong network, Kala's strength lies in managing its automotive dealership business. As public demand for a wide range of vehicles increases, Kala has expanded its automotive product lineup, offering four-wheeled and two-wheeled vehicles. To complete the transportation portfolio and responding to the need for goods mobility, Kala offers rental and passenger transport solutions for their customers. We also provide integrated services that make it easier for people to move and store all the types of logistics they want quickly and easily. Actively engage in infrastructure and national development, Kala actively to develop and build Indonesia. Through the advancement of human resources and innovative breakthroughs, Kala having a vision to become a navigator in infrastructure development, a provider of quality construction materials, and becoming an important foundation for the progress of the nation. Answering the needs of the community for commercial property with a contemporary and environmentally friendly. Kala builds office centers, shopping centers, entertainment hubs for the communities and people around. Complementing the customer's comfort, Kala thrives in the business hospitality, particularly in food and beverage, multi-purpose buildings, and working spaces. We also developing residential areas with a vision to create complete human-centered, green and peaceful living spaces, supported by top-quality facilities that meet the needs of every resident. Welcoming a better future and responding to global climate change. Kala promotes renewable energy through the development of hydroelectric power plants spread throughout Indonesia. bringing light to communities and supporting the nation's energy needs. In line with our mission to build excellent human capital, Kala encourages the development of highly competitive and globally relevant and ethically grounded workforce. Kala offers various educational facilities, from baby house to technology and business-based universities. Through the Haji Kala Foundation, Kala fulfills its social responsibility by empowering communities through flagship programs like EduCare, Islamic Care, Humanity and Environment Care, also economic and social care. As a form of appreciation for all Kala Care customers, the Kala Friends app is here to offer convenience, peace of mind, and comfort, giving users easy access to all Kala products and services right at their fingertips. After a long and meaningful journey, a smile emerges, a genuine smile that reflects the sincerity and love poured into this journey to be a professional and sustainable business group for the people of Indonesia. Kala works for Indonesia, ready to build a generation through a culture of worship work, customer appreciation, faster, better, and active, together synergizing for Indonesia, for mutual progress, from the heart, together advance the nation. Kala for life.